Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how you can delete all files from Google Drive all at once. I'll show you two ways, but I'll make it easier to delete all files from Google Drive at once. The first way is to hold left and drag your cursor all the way to the end, or by using the keyboard and clicking Ctrl A to select all files except my backup because it's important. After that, click the trash icon, which is located on the upper website screen beside the copy links icon. After clicking it, go to the trash tab, select all files you put into trash, and click the delete forever icon on the top of the file you want to delete. Click delete forever if they ask for permission, and that's it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.